why did you come on to Colour in Your Life? What was your ambition with us?
Well, yeah, very good question. So I knew of your show and I'd seen a number of episodes, and I just really like what you're doing in sharing art with the world and going into artist studio. I just loved the idea. So, I mean, I knew you before I even contemplated being on the show. And then when you approached me, my husband and I talked about it a lot, trying to decide, would this be good for something for me to do? Was I kind of ready for this? And we decided, art, I love to teach art, but I also love to paint. And I've been doing more and more online teaching, online lessons. And I realized that with doing that and selling more work online, I needed to, broaden my reach.
Yes.
I needed to, get people to know who I was more. And I just thought your show is a great way to do that. So it was definitely worth it. I'm so happy that I did. So
I was just talking to my manager, Nat, about the fact that the beauty about Colour in Your Life now, and you may well be able to express this as well, is that you can promote yourself and you're doing online workshops, but you can send the show out to so many other people that can see what you're doing. Then they will know that this is the girl that I want to be part and parcel of. This is the lady that I want to teach me. Are you finding that that's a useful tool for you as well?
Oh, yeah. I mean, definitely. Because not only, was the show a good way to promote my work, but it's a good way for me to promote me. I know that sounds kind of funny, but my personality, who I am, how I teach, and how I, interact with people. I have had several people contact me, asking me about my experience, and I have talked with each of them, giving them good things, just letting them know that I think it's totally worth it. And I really appreciate what you've done, and definitely worth the cost, even though it's like, at first you feel kind of like, really? But then, I think thinking about it, of how much I spent on advertising on a magazine a year, it's like, and this, like you say, it keeps going, and I can keep using it.
It's only getting bigger and bigger every day now. It's like the numbers are like Jesus. And it's because people are inside and they're looking for information, they'll find you in the process.
Sure. Yeah, that's true. So, and already lots of new people have found me. So thanks to you.
Oh.
And your team.
One of the great parts about what I do is I get to meet amazing women like you that are creative and that are motivated and that want to change the world for the right reason. You're exactly that person.
Oh, well, thank you. I think it's great. And I love, the community that you're building, and the community of artists nowadays, I think, is so supportive of each other, which is awesome.